How to change your name on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click this one, Skype, this one, settings, and then click account and profile, and then all you need to do is just click here your profile, and now click here, and here you can change your name to anything you want, and then just click save changes, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.